And y'all back with another classic from the 80s. We got a 4-door 1985 Chevy Caprice. Brand new paint, super clean, so stay tuned. Take you on the test drive, get all around there, put her on the rack. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So first you can see she is finished in this beautiful gray. The paint is new, so there shouldn't be really too much that we need to talk about as far as that. She is sitting on a set of 20-inch gold and chrome wheels with Vogue tires. I think it sits perfect with the gray. Obviously with the new paint, the pinstriping has been redone as well, so we got new striping. Let's look at the windshield while we're here. Windshield has no cracks, no rock chips or anything like that. Keep moving along the side. The vinyl top appears to be in good condition. I'm not seeing any type of like rips or cracks or anything. And all the chrome is intact around the windows as well. All the chrome trimming is around the wheel wells where it's supposed to be and coming down the side, the body moldings. Checking out the rear glass. Again, no cracks or anything. The glass appears to be good. And getting in close to the paint. Again, it's a new paint job, so not too many scratches, swirls, or love marks that you got to worry about. Looking at her down the side, she does appear to be pretty straight and no dents or anything to point out. All the trim is around the tail lights where it's supposed to be. And the bumper itself is good as far as the chrome is concerned. No dents, no rusting or anything like that. As far as the little rubber molding that goes around, we got a little bit of a chip there. Looking down the passenger side, again, no big dents, no crazy waves or anything. Doors appear to be aligned correctly as well too. And again, all the chrome trim down the driver's side is where it's supposed to be. Checking out the hood. No rock chips, no scratches or dents or anything. Headlight trim where it's supposed to be. Grille is in good shape. It's actually got the clear turn signal covers. I kind of like that. Kind of goes with the gray. Again, looking at the front bumper, it's in good condition. No dents or rust or anything to point out. Let me grab the keys for the trunk and then pop the hood. Move the keys so we don't hit the paint. Alright, so we do have power brakes. She's got AC. AC does blow ice cold. Power steering. Relatively clean underneath. Nothing's been done. You can tell it's pretty stock. That's stock 305. Relatively clean. I gotta use two hands to hold this up. Alright, trunk is clean. Still got original paperwork. OG jack, jumper cables, and just some little extra parts. Nothing crazy. But the trunk is clean. Solid all the way through, no soft spots. Again, of course, we'll get her on the rack, check out from underneath. Check out the interior. We'll start with the rear first. Looking at the rear door panel, obviously, so the interior is gray on gray, super clean. Manual windows, so you don't have to worry about those not working. And the jambs are solid. Rear seat is good, no rips or tears or anything like that. Little tiny bit of stains here and there with that light gray, but nothing crazy at all. Headliner's in good condition as far as no sagging or anything like that. Driver's side door, same as the rear. Pretty clean, no warping on the panels, no sagging. It's in good shape. Looks pretty clean. Seat is in good condition as far as rips and tears. Got a few little stains here and there, kind of expected for almost a 40-year-old car. Same as with the carpet. There's no burns or rips or anything. It's just years of use. Dash is in pretty good condition. There is one crack that goes straight down the middle, and that's it. Mileage reads 82,999. Another look from the passenger side. And like I said, this door is clean. Passenger side door, again, no warping or anything. The panels are solid. It's an all OG car for sure. So stay tuned, we're gonna take it on test drive. We'll go ahead and get started, hit the test drive. Let's go ahead. That's a cold start. It's been sitting here since yesterday, so we're gonna let her warm up a little bit. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Horn works. I see the exterior lights are on. Weirdly, that right turn signal came on with it. Interior lights did come on as well. I just like testing the lighters to see if they work. Again, the air conditioning does work. Radio works. Actually, this clock works as well. You can see the seconds moving. Lighter popped out already. Oh, this boy really worked. It's kind of dope. Other than that, I don't need to check the windows. They're manual. They do work. Let's go ahead. Gas gauge shows full. We did put 40 in. We'll have to check and see if it moves or anything, if it floats. I got all the windows down because I was too lazy to roll them all up, and it's like 47 down here. So first impression, she's super smooth, just like she's just rolling. Let me turn these lights on again. Yeah, that light came on. Speedometer is reading about 15 to 20, so it's moving up. Go ahead, get behind them. All right, let's get straightened out. Hands off the wheel. She's tracking. Actually, let me put her straight. She's tracking straight. Steering wheel, little tiny bit of play. Let me turn it straight. Alignment is pretty close. Probably could use a little bit because of the wheels, but not bad at all. The motor and transmission does feel super smooth. As soon as I hit the gas, I feel it going. Of course, it's not a race motor, so you're not gonna be expected to be passing anybody. It's just a smooth cruiser. It's a big family car, and obviously because of the size and the engine bay, a perfect idea for a swap. Suspension feels good. I'm not bouncing all over the place with a few little dips and humps that I am hitting. And the brakes were solid too. I'll get on them a little bit tougher at the stop sign, but I'm not getting into them by any means at all, and it's stopping. The pedal feels pretty solid. crazy sounds as far as rattling is concerned. Glass isn't rattling in the doors. Nothing out of the dash. I think some air coming from this paper. We'll see. Yeah. Like I said, the wheels are solid. I hit this little dip up here that I normally do, which with 20s on the box, she's not gonna bottom out, but we'll do it just to make sure the suspension is straight. And like I said, brakes are solid. That was me kind of jamming on them, didn't get anywhere near the floor. And again, with that big dip, she didn't bottom out. Give it a little bit of gas, get it up to like 40, taking off with no issue whatsoever. So stay tuned, we'll go ahead and get her on the rack, check her out. We got the Caprice up on the rack, and again, starting with the rear bumper, clean, solid, no cracks or anything like that. Looking at the trunk pans, obviously you got some surface rust because there is no coating, but everything else is super solid. Trunk pans are solid, no soft spots, no patchwork. Same with the frame extensions, and the gas tank. Just came off the test drive. We have no leaks or anything. No leaks from the rear end. Everything is stock, drum brakes. Moving on up, again, you can see how clean these trunk pans are. They have no coating on them, and again, they're almost flawless. You know, it's kind of how they came off the factory showroom. So definitely clean. Again, no leaks or anything from the oil pan, transmission pan. Just came off the test drive, nothing there. Got disc brakes up in the front, just your normal stock suspension. No leaks or anything that I can hear, that I see from the AC, radiator, or power steering. This is super solid underneath. And that front bumper, same as the rear, no cracks or rust or anything. Coming along the passenger side, again, wheels are brand new. They're 20-inch chrome and golds, 245 by 40s all the way around. Wheels are solid. Again, looking at the frame and the body, she's clean underneath. And get on over to the driver's side. Definitely a super solid Caprice to build. All right, so if you're interested in this Caprice, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Check us out at Rolling Museums on Instagram and at the website.